It's a
It's
bottle on the
empty.
side.
It's empty.
He said that Cheesy built that base on his own in one evening.
Did the one we raided there?
The one that we raided, yeah.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
He built it all alone, yeah.
He built it in like 3 hours or something.
No, 3 hours. That's impossible.
Yeah, that
He
sounds
said in
impossible.
one evening, so it's like it is with the bot, yeah, if you've got enough coins.
And they are all VIP and ordering stuff. They had blue cars.
Yeah, they are, yeah. They all had them blue pickups, didn't they, outside the base? Don't know. It's up to Octane, I think, really. It's like the leader.
Did you hear that the leader showed signs of human empathy today?
Who? Octane?
Yeah, he gave back a pickup he stole.
Oh, really?
No
Why?
way.
Yeah.
Because we already
Why?
stole one and we killed them like, I don't know, I killed them 7 times, Ras killed them 6
Oh,
times.
in the
Yeah.
quarry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did they check this space for mines in front of the door?
No, no one else. No.
We need to build a bed. Do we have axe to cut off tree?
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's
we
an
do need to make a
X
bed.
in the car.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, and one of the bags has this bag has some stuff in it too. Rope and sticks and rags.
Well, who's gonna be the sacrifice?
Yeah, I will. I'm just gonna try to remove them.
Ras have 127. Cream have 126. I have 200. Octane have
I
100.
won't die. I'm so
I've
fucking
always
sure.
got low. Well, sometimes when we've been PvPing, I usually got a little bit of fame, but most of the time I've got low fame because of lockpicking.
I had so much fun in that death match though. Death match
that?
was so fun.
Let's say.
I picked one garage, then I used some twice on the chest, and then on the way back I found like, oh, another door. And then another door. And then a fourth door.
You're gonna dig a hole in the ground, Ras?
Nope. I'm gonna remove the mines if I find any.
Do you have
Screwdrivers.
Do you have like a metal detector?
Don't need it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I've got 220 fame now.
Nice. Just gonna build a bed too, then I'll there a path in there.
They don't kind of. They don't.
Oh fuck, I cut that branch so I could make a bed.
They don't have. 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 They don't have.
You fucking
Trying to
stole
get
my
close.
shit.
Trying to get
Who
close
owned
to
this base
the...
though? It's fully upgraded. How many doors is it into it?
Oh, I need more rags though. You got any
Yeah,
rags?
got some in the bag.
In the bag.
In the bag.
What's in the bag, bro?
Papa's got a brand new bag, boy.
Oh, you got one off.
Okay, Johnny. Pop's got a brand new bag. The fuck are you lockpicking already?
Yeah.
Yeah, he just walks straight over to it because he's strange. Where's the rags?
I'll
they're,
lay on top of the car and he
they're in
just
the
wanna
bag.
aim to the sky.
Where's the rags?
2 up.
Oh,
Here, in the
Octane's
bag.
on fire.
Yeah.
3 up.
Oh,
1
yeah.
up.
Oh. Is it?
Are
Yeah,
you
it's
cheating
open.
today or?
Yeah, he's found the macro.
He found the macro, yeah.
He went to buttonmac.com.
I don't see anything
Yeah.
though because my rendering is fucking 10.
Yeah, it's ridiculous, isn't it? Can you open the door?